Anything else? You want to tell them the good news about the thing that I won?
We won the scholarship.
To what?
To the Masterclass.
Yeah, very good. So, I feel like I've been sharing a lot of bad news lately, like things not going well on the farm, and I didn't want to do another video like that, but we have the market tomorrow, and my market cooler isn't working. It's broken right now. I need to get it fixed, but I don't have time to fix it. So today we're going to still harvest for the market. I guess old school. Everything that I harvest is going to go right into the cooler late tonight for tomorrow morning's market. So it's going to be as fresh as possible. It would be a lot easier to do everything if I could put it in the cooler, but I just can't do that right now. So I'll have to get that fixed over the weekend. But for now, we're going to get everything harvested. We're not going to quit. We're going to get everything harvested we can for tomorrow's market. And yeah, that's what we're going to do.
Just anything?
No. So I experimented here with growing potatoes. Make sure you get the ground under this black landscape fabric. And I'm gonna harvest a little bit of it. I already picked some. This isn't all. I have some already in this bin there. I'm just gonna harvest a little bit. See, I missed some. This is kind of cool. I just loosely covered everything with soil, and they were just growing undercover under this fabric. So this is awesome. So there's some that I missed. I might have to keep going a little bit. Look at that. That's cool. I might have to
Tell them what you're doing.
Huh?
Tell them what you're doing.
Well, looks like I'm harvesting potatoes. That's what I'm doing. I tried to pick some. I pulled out the greens first, and now I just lifted up the landscape fabric and trying to find the ones that got left behind here, and there's quite a few. So that's good. Do a little bit more. I have some potatoes that grew in bags. Might need to get some out of the bags too. I don't want to do this whole row, but I just wanted to make sure I had enough to sell at the market tomorrow. Because I don't have the carrots. I wanted to have lots of carrots, but I think I planted my carrots for the fall.
Too late?
Too late. So they're still growing. They might be ready by like late October, maybe November, but that doesn't help me this week. So it's a good thing I planted extra potatoes. These are Yukon Golds.
Look, I see some. I see a mushroom.
Yeah.
That was a mushroom.
Yep.
I was talking to the camera.
Yeah. Are you still?
Lots of mosquitoes out here right now. That was our new greenhouse topping. There's some potatoes on there.
Maybe I should have ripped the greens off first.
The potatoes are stuck on getting a ride. Look like we are going to eat dinner soon, so we are going to stop the video, and then when we're done there, we might go back out and help it for Friday's market.
I'm not eating dinner. I gotta keep going.
He's not eating dinner because he's gonna run out of daylight, of course. Right now, my dad is picking potatoes, and there's lots of them in there for now. the rundas are also pretty. There were some that were stuck on the tarp one, and Daddy thought that he would take off the greens and then pull out the potatoes that were on there. So look at all of our lettuces that are growing.
Lettuces look really pretty over there.
Yes, of course. There's carrots over there that are not ready, right? There's some carrots over there too, with some red lettuces. See all those weeds? Not good. Not at all. Not at all. Go away from the camera. Mosquitoes coming to the camera. What the heck? What are they coming from? Tell them something about.
Did you show them how dark the soil looks under this tarp?
Look how dark the soil is on
It was covered
before
by-
the top tarp.
Under that wheat fabric. Looked pretty good.
That little potato was under that soil on the root. That's crazy. So we're going to end the video soon. After dinner, we are going to come back out
I feel like you want to go in for dinner.
and eat dinner.
That's cool. Oh boy. Can't see a thing.
We are going to the market and we are packed up and we're going to leave soon.
Yeah. I know, I'm not even set up yet, sweetheart. I still gotta put my potatoes out. Wow. Radishes look so pretty. Alright, midday update. Only sold 2 of the potatoes. They didn't get much love. Radishes were almost gone. We're halfway through our salad mix. And we still have a few head lettuces left. So actually brought a bit more to market today than I realized I did. Good thing about the potatoes is even if we don't sell them, we could bring them back and they don't have to be refrigerated, so win-win. All right, so I finally got this guy to take a nap. It's like 1:30. Things are moving off the table a little bit, but we've still got quite a bit of salad mix and things like that. But we're making decent sales today. Doing all right. But still got some things we could move. radishes are pretty much gone.
Right now, the market is almost over, so we're gonna pack up soon.
Good job.
We are packing up right now, and we're gonna be leaving soon.
Okay. We're back home from the market. We had a good day. We made it there even without our cooler working, so that's good. We had a decent day of sales. I would have liked to sell a little bit more salad mix, but it is what it is. And yeah, we had a good day. And what do you think, Matthew? Did you have a good day today at the market? And the one last thing I wanted to mention was what I teased a little bit in the beginning of this video, is that I applied for a scholarship for the Market Gardener Masterclass by J.M. Fortier. I've mentioned his book, The Market Gardener, in some of my previous videos. So he has a masterclass that costs around $2,000, but it's, from what I understand, and other farms that I follow, like on Instagram, that have taken his class, like all the information in that class is from over 20 years of experience on intensive small-scale farming production. On his farm, it was 1.5 acres of how you could make over $100,000, work the most efficiently, and live the best life on a small-scale farm. And it details everything that he's learned over the years on how to make a small-scale work. And I was actually very frustrated, as you could probably tell from some of my past videos. I've been very frustrated this year. Some mistakes I've made, some things I didn't know that I tried to do, and crop planning has been one of my weaknesses. There has been a few weeks where I haven't had the veggies that I wanted, like right now when I want carrots and I don't have carrots because I didn't plant them earlier enough in the season for the fall. All of those things now are over because I won a scholarship to his masterclass. They gave away 20 scholarships to small farms like mine that want to step up their farming game, and all I had to do was make a social media post and detail talking about my farm and my dreams and why this scholarship would benefit me. And I just poured my heart into this social media post. I posted 3 pictures of the farm, and they picked me out of hundreds of other farms, and I'm like super grateful and thankful. So thank you to the Market Gardener Masterclass, whoever was involved in picking the recipients. I'm very, very, very grateful for that, and I really appreciate it. And I'm hoping, I'm already in the class and probably like halfway through taking some of the classes and courses and modules in there. And I hope to apply all of that to next year and all the years beyond, and I'll share some things that I've learned from that class coming up. So become a more, from that class, I'll be able to gain years and years of experience in a really short amount of time. So I can't wait to be able to share that stuff and better food in the years to come. So very grateful, and I want to thank anybody who's supported us. I really, really appreciate it. So thank you. So that's it. That's going to wrap up this week's video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe to our channel if you're new here and you're not subscribed. I'd really appreciate it. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.